Okay, how to overcome retroactive jealousy. Basically, yan yung problema niya, guys. Pause nyo na lang kung gusto nyo yung basahin. Ang gustuhan kong part dito kasi sabi niya, ayaw ko kasing maging makitid or mababaw sa relationship namin. Okay, my young kings and queens, quick thoughts. Let's go. Helpful siguro to lalo na dun sa mga sa mga never pa nagkaroon ng experience before their current relationship. Pero yung mga partner nila may mga relationship na sa past. Sa mga hindi nakakaalam kung ano retroactive jealousy, ito yung feeling ng threatened kayo, jealous kayo sa mga ex ng partner ninyo or past relationships. So yan yung scenario natin. Ngayon, different kinds of situations. Situation number 1, if yung jealousy ninyo ay nanggagaling mismo or yung reason nun mismo ay yung partner ninyo. For example, lagi kayong kinukumpara, mga ganong klaseng bagay. Lagi nilang binabanggit yung ex nila sa'yo. If your partner is the reason on why you feel that, then they are the problem. Okay, so ngayon, how do you deal with that? You have to sit down and talk, okay, and let them know that you're not comfortable being compared to your exes. Isa pa, hindi naman kasi nakakatulong talaga yun. One trait kasi yan ng pagiging toxic ng isang tao if they keep comparing you to their past. Ngayon, situation number 2, okay, is you're the problem. The reason for that is kahit wala namang actions na ginagawa yung mga partner ninyo, you still feel threatened sa past nila. Sa mga ex nila, puro kayo halungkat, basa kayo dito, basa kayo dyan, stalk kayo dito, stalk kayo dyan. If you're doing these kinds of things, then kayo po ang toxic sa relationship. Because ladies and gentlemen, if you feel threatened from your partner's past, malaking pinanggagalingan yan is yung insecurity nyo within. This is something that you have to work on sa sarili mo. Kailangan nyo magkaroon ng stability bilang partner. You have to be confident within yourself. Kasi malaking sakit sa ulo ka nun sa partner mo, ladies and gentlemen, kapag ikaw na mismo ang nagkukumpara sa sarili mo sa nakaraan ng partner mo. So, isang effective way to battle this is, of course, number 1, assurance. Diba? Be able to open up to your partner, have a proper conversation with them, kung ano yung nararamdaman mo towards their past, their exes, and then humingi kayo ng assurance sa kanila. Yun, effective yun. Ang problema sa mga taong insecure is because dahil nga galing within ang problema, so kahit gaano karaming assurance ang natatanggap nila, hindi yun sumasapat. So, ang kulang doon ay assurance sa sarili. Always remind yourself that you're already the new partner. Kung ano man yung nangyari sa nakaraan nila before, no? Whether this is great experiences or trash experiences, ikaw, present ka, ipaalala mo sa sarili mo that you can always do better. You always have the chance to be a better partner, hindi lang sa mga ex, but of course, pati sa comparison nun sa sarili mo. Kasi yun naman ang healthy way ng guys. Yun ang healthy way ng comparison. Compare yourself to who you were yesterday. So always want to be better. Diba? A better partner, a better person. Kaya kahit nasa relationship kayo, malaking bagay pa rin ang self-improvement. And also, remind yourself that instead of worrying about their past, which is you can't change anymore, worry about the present. Ask the questions if, are you treating them the right way? Diba? Are you giving them the treatment that they deserve, the love that they deserve? Kasi inaalala mo yung past, alalahanin mo kung how do you actually make your partner feel when you talk about things. Komportable ba sila sa'yo bilang partner? Do they feel the home vibe or the best friend vibe within the relationship? Mas importante kasi yun, ladies and gentlemen, self-reflection. Mamaya kasi, kumpara ka ng kumpara sa sarili mo sa ex niya, threatened ka ng threatened dyan, mas worse ka na pala. Kaya nga always want to be better. Mas maganda na dun nyo i-spend yung energy nyo, yun ang i-overthink ninyo if you're being a good partner to them, kaysa yung mga nakaraan nila. Ano bang kinakatakot nyo kasi? Takot na takot kayo sa ex. Kung wala naman silang interaction, ba't pa kayo natatakot sa ex? Kayo na nga yung pinili ngayon eh. Diba, ikaw na yung present partner. Wala nang magagawa yung naibaon na sa hukay. Kayo na lang mismo yung problema dyan eh. Kayo yung bumubuhay dahil dun sa thought na naiisip ninyo. So again, for you to be able to overcome that, instead of overthinking the past relationship that they had, overthink how you are as a partner now. Dapat mas concern kayo sa lagay ng relasyon nyo ngayon. Hindi yung mas concern pa kayo sa pinagdaanan nila dati. You have to be able to tell yourself and be confident that this relationship is the best he or she ever had because it's with me. Alright? I'll see you in the next vid, my young kings and queens. Stream if you want me on Spotify and on all streaming platforms. Other than that, nice.